वो मसीहो महदिये दौरा मोहम्मद का गुलाम, चांद और सूरज ने दी जिसकी शहादत जिंदाबाद। अहमदियत 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 जिंदाबाद।
It was in 1924 when the caliphate was abolished, the Ottoman Caliphate was abolished. The Caliph, as they called him, or the Sultan, he was given a ticket to travel to Paris and live a life of exile. In the same year, the Ahmadiyya Caliph was traveling to Europe as well, not to live a life of exile, but to come and lay the foundation stone of the first ever mosque in London, in the heart of London, in the heart of the greatest empire of the world. It's interesting to note that no other Muslim community, even the Caliphs, the Ottoman Caliphate as they called themselves, even they weren't able to do that. And the Ahmadiyya Caliphate, alhamdulillah, was successful in doing that.
अहमदियत 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 जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद ओ जिंदाबाद, जिंदा ओ पायंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद, जिंदा ओ पायंदाबाद।